Hi everyone, I am Bindeshwar from Post Network Academy, and in the last video I explained addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. In this video I am going to explain exponent and remainder. So let's get started. So see that if you want to calculate a raised b, where a is 2 and b is 5. So just I am going to show that how you will calculate in Python. So for this one, Python has exponent operator. You will use that operator using 2 asterisk or 2 stars. 1 star for multiplication and 2 stars for calculating exponent. So let's see the example, thereafter you will understand. So I'm going to write the program. So I'm writing a assignment operator, sometimes equal to is called, always called. Here I am telling you a equal to, it means that a is referring to 2, b is equal to 5, it means that b is referring to 5. Now c is equal to a double asterisk b, it means that c refers a raised b or a powers b. Now you will use print function and you will print the value of c. Let us run it and see the output. So here, first of all, you can see that a is referring to 2, b is referring to 5, c is referring to 32, and here is output. See that this one is for just visualization purpose. This is the feature of editor. The original output comes here. So double asterisk is used for exponent. In this case, a double stars b means a raised b. Now let us see another example where I am just going to change value of a and b. So instead of 2, just I am taking 49, and instead of 5, I am going to take 0.5. It means almost square root of 49. That means almost equal to 7. I am telling almost 7 because sometimes it does not come that exact value. So that's why I am telling here. Now let us see that. So 7 it is coming. Sometimes it does not come. If it is coming, that's very nice. So here a is referring to 49, b is referring to 0.5, and c is referring to a raised b. What does it mean? It means that c is referring to a raised b. So here c, if I put exact value, so 49 raise 0.5. It means that 49 raise half, or 49 raise half, or under root 49, that is 7.0. So this way you can calculate exponent of a number. Now another important operation, or you can say that you should calculate remainder. When one number divides another number, so what would be the remainder? So there is another symbol in Python. There is a dedicated section, a dedicated chapter for all symbols that are called operators. But here, because in starting I am explaining, so just I am telling them symbols. So another symbol is percentage, that would be used for calculating remainder or obtaining remainder. So let's see that. So I'm just writing new program A, which is referring to 12, B, which is referring to 5, C, which will refer A, remainder operator, remainder symbol, remainder operator would be better for this one, B, and print C. Now let us run it. So you will get 2. See that how? So here, if you divide 12 by 5, so here 2 times and here 10. This one would be remainder. So output is this one. This is a remainder. Now let us change 5 by 6. So see that 6 will divide 12 completely. So there would not be any remainder. So see that 0. So here 0. If I change A is 13. So now see that. So remainder should be 1. Let us see that. Actually, not 11. So remainder should be 1. 1 is coming here. So it means that you are dividing 13 by 6. So 2 times 12, and here 1 is remainder. You can check another number, taking different values for A and for a B, and see the output. So till now you have learned 6 operations or operators. Now I can say that addition, I am also talking about the previous video, subtraction, multiplication, division, exponent, and remainder. See that these all are called operators. Now I am writing here, and there is a dedicated chapter in every book and in every course. These are called operators. They operates on two operands. So here A and B are operands. And these are operators. So you have learnt about these 6 operators. In the upcoming videos, I will explain about expressions. So see that what does expression means? Expression means not only a plus b, but you can also write c is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. These kind of expressions, c is equal to a cube plus b cube. These kind of expressions. So in upcoming videos, I will explain how to write expressions, different kind of expressions in Python. So hope what I have taught you, you have understood. Thanks for watching the video.